Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm going to give you my weekend sales on Poshmark and let you know what items sold and for how much and what were my earnings. And so this will be for March 7th and 8th of 2020. So let's go ahead and see what sold. All right, so I'm going to give you the sales of everything that sold on my Poshmark store this last weekend. And so we'll give you earnings numbers as well. All right, let's see everything that we sold. So the first thing that we've got is the name brand is NF. It's a cute black and pink poncho, sold for $11, and then after fees and after shipping, my earnings were $5.93. Then we sold a new without tags Galaxy 3-pocket drawstring fleece jogger. Sold for $8. After all of my fees, I ended up with $2.93 of earnings. Then I have this Style & Company women's paisley split neck peasant top. Say hi to Paul in the background. He's been crazy back there. Sold for $10. My earnings were $4.93. And then we have this lingerie, black and white, that ended up selling for $6. 93 cents is all I made, but I had multiples of these, so that's okay. We definitely made our money back from our initial purchase. Then these women's Norma Cylinder heeled booty. I've got a bunch of these still left in size 8. They're really cute with this circle kind of heeled booty. And so I made $2.93 on this boot. They are brand new, still in box. Then a Merona over-the-knee suede cognac Terran boot, size 7.5. I do have a few of these left, not too many. Sold for $17. After fees, I made $13.60. Then this Acton Pro raglan top. I love this style of shirt, by the way. I love the raglan sleeves. $9 is what it sold for. $3.93 after fees is what I earned. This was a really good sale. I've actually got a couple more of these in various different sizes. This is a pair of Sociology women's Fable lace front weather boots. I think I have another size 10, and then I have a size 7 available on these. So these are really, really nice, brand new. I sold for $21, $16.80 after fees. Gino Vitale men's lounge Chelsea boots black suede sold for $28. That was a great sale. So after fees, I ended up with $20.28. Karen Scott striped button-up blue cardigan sold for $8. As you can see, I have the stock photo, which definitely is very appealing to look at. And then, of course, here are the measurements that I have right here with my own photos. So I have these there. All right, so that sold for $8, $2.93 after fees. Then I have a 5-pack of thongs. This came in a lot that I had about 500 items, and then these were just all like individual tags, still brand new, but they were sold individually. So I ended up making a lot of them, and so these sold for $5, and I ended up making $2.05 after fees. Then I have this new with tags Alfani size 14 Urban Romance high-low dress that ended up selling for $9, and I earned $6.05 after fees. Then we have this new without tags Isabel maternity size XXL ruched side top. Very, very cute top. Sold for $5. I ended up earning $2.05. Then we have this new without tags CJ Banks 1X longer button-up jacket shirt that sold for $4. I ended up earning $1.05. Then this was a really awesome sale. This was a new without tags Calvin Klein medium body fit shirt with a front pocket. Sold for $15 for a t-shirt, but it was the name Calvin Klein. People will pay up for that. So I ended up earning $12 after fees on that. Then we had this women's plush fleece pullover with buffalo checkered. This is really, really cute and soft, and it ended up selling for $10, and I made $4.93 after fees. Then we have this really cute children pajama set. Let me zoom in on it for you there. It says Brother Bear, so it sold for $8, and I ended up making $5.05 after fees. Then, of course, we sold another one of these boots. And if I go back to the previous screen, you can kind of see the fee setup and why it sold. Since it sold for $8, my Poshmark fee was $2.95. I offered a shipping discount, And then my earnings were $2.93. So that gives you a little bit more of the breakdown on that exact boot. So $2.93 is what I made. One more item for sale this weekend. This was a really cute milestone blanket. It sold for $11. My Poshmark fee was $2.95. I did not send an offer. They bought it outright for the exact price I had it listed for, which is why you don't see that shipping discount. $8.05 is what I earned. This is what it looks like. Isn't that cute? I love this listing. It's my favorite because this is actually my youngest child as a baby. Look at those cute chubby legs. And this is my middle child as a baby. Isn't that adorable? I just photoshopped them in. So I had entirely too much fun with that. Anyway, so total, we ended up with 19 separate orders for a grand total this weekend. It's Saturday, Sunday sales in the month of March for $119.35. So hopefully it's been fun to see what I sold on Poshmark this past weekend in March. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching what we sold this weekend on Poshmark. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Check out hookedonpickin.com for all your reseller helps. I've got a Poshmark book there, so hopefully you love that. And then, of course, watch more of my videos, and you can watch Paul entertain us in the background.